Next is this little cute, it's like the LED lamp. It's super cute. It's a UV and LED like cured lamp. But it's convenient. Like it's really small. I think it's cute and it allows you to use and go from all angles when you're using it. Next is the nail tip glue, and that's it. So we're gonna get started. So in the next few clips, you'll see me just sizing the tips to get my correct size for each of my tips. I'm gonna go ahead and get the lamp plugged in, and then I'll get started. I was thinking through the process of trying like the incapacitated or incapacitate. I don't know if I said it right. Somebody sound out or rephrase it the way it's supposed to be said in the comments for me. But yeah, I'm gonna do that with the nails. So just stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you like it. So on this one, I'm taking my first tip and I'm inserting the nail tip glue inside. I did it to the point where the bed part of it filled up where my whole nail bed was, but I didn't put a lot. You don't want to put a lot, because if you put a lot, it's going to spill over on the side, and once you do it and put it inside the UV light, like it instantly gets hard and closes it up. So be light when you're inserting the nail tip glue inside of the nail tips. That's one tip I can give. Because I did it a couple times and it was like it kept dry. If you put too much, it's gonna dry it up. So just be light when you're putting it on the inside of the nail tip. And I also did my nail prep and put base coat on each of the nails and put them under the UV lamp before doing the nail tips. Of course, we all love bling, so we made it to this part where I finished like my first hand. It's pretty. What I did was I took the glitter and the bling and I put it inside on the bottom of the nail tips, and then I put more of the nail tip glue and then put it up underneath the lamp and let it cure. That way it incapacitated it. Like, it came out super cute. I love it. So I pretty much did the same thing for all the rest of my nails, switching them up on different ones, deciding which one I would put the glitter on and which one I would use the bling with. I'll put links to those products that I use as well in the description. And I really hope you enjoy the finished look. It looks amazing. I loved it. I got a lot of compliments on the nails. I also did a second